How to see library tab on YouTube. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to navigate through the library menu on YouTube. But the very first thing that you want to have to do is go into your Google Play Store or any app store where you downloaded a YouTube application. And from here, just simply look for the YouTube app. Now, the reason why I'm letting you guys in here is to make sure that you're currently using the latest version of YouTube application. So if you go ahead and pull up YouTube app, library option is no longer at the bottom right of your page, but the functions are all the same. So library functions has its own history, playlist, your videos, downloads, movies, clips, or even this option here that says Get YouTube Premium. So if you have just updated YouTube application on your mobile device, it was actually changed into a U tab at the lower right hand portion of your screen, which is this field right here, but it still functions the same. And that's it. That is how to see library tab on YouTube.